18th century fiction. The 18th century is basically known for fiction writing. This is an indispensable age in the history of fiction. This age consolidated fiction as a genre. Many types of fiction was produced. The most important type was the historical perspective fiction. The historical perspective was important. The novel began with realism in this age. Daniel Defoe emerged as a very prominent novelist in this age. What Daniel Defoe began in the 18th century has been brought to culmination by the naturalists of our time. Daniel Defoe wrote autobiographical novels which were historical in their perspective. Not only this, many historical romances were also produced in this age. One of the famous writers of this age is Samuel Richardson. Richardson wrote his Pamela, which is a great landmark in the history of fiction. Then there followed a spate of fiction writers in England. Oliver Goldsmith wrote The Vicar of Wakefield. Lawrence Stern wrote Tristram Shandy. Tristram Shandy is a very long book. And then, apart from this, there are many women novelists also. The most famous women novelist is Jane Austen. Jane Austen wrote her famous novel Pride and Prejudice, Emma, Persuasion, Sense and Sensibility, and many other novels. Besides, there we find a development of a different genre, a different subgenre, that is Gothic fiction. Gothic fiction is a product of the 18th century. Horace Walpole wrote his Castle of Otranto. Castle of Otranto is probably the greatest Gothic novel produced yet in the history of English literature. In this way, we see that there was a huge production of novels in this age. In fact, this was an age of experimentation with the genre. Novelists started a new genre. Before this, novel writing was not established as a specific genre. However, there were many writing, many pieces of writing, which could be described in some respects having characteristic features of the novel, but they were not. They cannot be called novel in proper. So it is the 18th century which established the novel. Thank you.